Hi, I'm Claire, a legal engineer at HighQ. I specialize in helping in-house legal teams make the most of their tech and future-proof their departments. HighQ is the global strategic legal technology implementation, migration, and integration partner for Thomson Reuters. We have extensive experience in implementing HighQ, Legal Tracker, and Contract Express solutions for some of the world's leading brands. We operate globally with more than 190 legal engineers speaking more than 30 languages. We have created a dedicated and rapidly scaling integrations practice with experience in platforms including Salesforce, SAP Ariba, and Dynamics. So today, I'm going to be talking to you about our new integration between two of those key platforms, HighQ and Salesforce. Salesforce is one of the leading global CRM solutions and is commonly used by Thomson Reuters customers like you. Customers using HighQ for contract and matter management are often managing duplicated data in Salesforce and HighQ, which is inefficient and frustrating for users. Manual data entry is inefficient and tedious for users when that same data needs to be used in multiple places. It is also a risk point when it comes to data accuracy, so we know that the more places the data needs to be manually manipulated, the more room for error there will be and the more frustrated users will be. Leveraging APIs and connectors from both Salesforce and HighQ, we seamlessly synchronize data fields and documents between the two platforms. For example, when your sales team creates a new record in Salesforce, they will be filling in a large amount of information which your legal team will then need to create the contract. That same information will then need to be stored against the contract record in HighQ once the contract has been signed to help manage the life cycle of that contract. Any edits then made subsequently in Salesforce will then automatically be reflected in HighQ, so you're always looking at the latest and most accurate version of the data. The integration technology is running behind the scenes to identify those changes and to ensure synchronization of data between HighQ and Salesforce. We have developed a standard mechanism which can then be tweaked for each customer based upon their specific data requirements and internal infrastructure governance. This means that we can be flexible in our approach and set the systems up to work for your particular organization. For example, we have two primary mechanisms for delivering the integration. Option A utilizes custom code deployed in a machine with customer infrastructure. There are lower ongoing costs because there are no middleware license fees, but it is slightly more effort to maintain and modify moving forward. The second option, Option B, utilizes a middleware solution to pass data between HighQ and Salesforce. This means there are moderate ongoing costs, but it is easier to maintain and modify moving forward. We'll work with you to decide which option is best for you and customize the integration to suit your specific needs.